What's going on, guys? So I'm just giving you guys a little overview of the new Vans UltraRange Exo sneakers. So I'm going to give you guys a little 360 view. This is what you can expect if you order a pair of Vans UltraRange Exos. The backs look pretty nice. It's a clean looking shoe. The bottoms are really nice. They got a nice pattern on the bottom. Let me know what you guys think about these shoes. I mean, they're not for everybody. They got some really bright colors and tie-dye in there, but that's kind of in right now. I don't know. I see a lot of people wearing tie-dye stuff nowadays. So let me know what you guys think about these. Yeah, I've been doing a lot of reviews on like different Nike slides and Adidas slides and New Balance slides and stuff. But I've been just trying to break into the shoe realm a little bit, so let me know if there's any types of shoes that you guys want me to do a review on, and I'll grab them and do a review on them. Just let me know. But yeah, check out the rest of my channel and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, help me out. But definitely let me know your thoughts on these shoes. Yay or nay, hit or miss. I don't know. Hard to tell. But alright, catch you guys next video. Later. Also, head over to my channel if you like these slides. I just did a review on the New Balance 200 slides, so if you like these, definitely go check out the whole video on my channel.